So 100% tax-free income for the next 10 years from your investments. So what is the sort of tax that you have to pay when you make your investments? You have to pay capital gains tax. Capital gains can be as much as your income tax slab, depending on what instrument you're investing. जैसे आजकल if you invest in debt, you have to pay tax as per your tax slab. But if you invest in equity, if you invest in real estate, then it is subsidized depending on their own long term and short term and their timelines. But अगर आप इस सब चीज़ों से free होना चाहते हो, for 10 years you will not have to pay any taxes on any capital gains you make from any investment. How is that? My name is Arpit Arora. I'm India's leading personal finance expert and passive income coach, and I'm on that quest to change the middle class of India and transform their financial life in such a way that they are able to have the potential to follow their passion. They have the focus to follow their passion. They are not distracted by money because they're creating enough passive income, and most importantly, they're able to live with inner peace and joy. And that, my friends, happens by winning the game of money. That happens when you upgrade your financial IQ, and that most importantly happens when you are committed to achieve financial freedom in your life, because it cannot happen without a commitment. And it is my commitment to make sure you get all the support that you need to walk and achieve that destination. What if I tell you that there is a way जिसमें you can make 100% of your returns totally tax-free, and that too for the next not 1, not 2, not 3, not 5, but the next 10 years. So 100% tax-free income for the next 10 years from your investments. So what is the sort of tax that you have to pay when you make your investments? You have to pay capital gains tax. Capital gains can be as much as your income tax slab, depending on what instrument you're investing. जैसे आजकल if you invest in debt, you have to pay tax as per your tax slab. But if you invest in equity, if you invest in real estate, then it is subsidized depending on their own long term and short term and their timelines. But अगर आप इस सब चीज़ों से free होना चाहते हो, for 10 years you will not have to pay any taxes on any capital gains you make from any investment. How is that? Sounds good? Because what I'm about to tell you is a method which is going to revolutionize the way with which wealthy people invest. Why do I say wealthy? I'll explain to you in a minute. So what am I actually talking about? I'm talking about a method that you can invest through the Gift City. What is Gift City? Gift City is a special economic zone that was a brainchild of PM Modi. And this has been in the works since the last 10 years. They have come up with an idea that family offices of India can set up their infrastructure in Gift City and they can invest through that. अभी तक ऐसा होता था that जितने भी स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन्स होते थे वो मोस्टली मैन्युफैक्चरर्स के लिए होते थे आउटसाइड द सिटी इन अ नॉन इंडस्ट्रियल टाउन, और वहाँ पे उसकी डेवलपमेंट के लिए स्पेशल इंसेंटिव्स मिलते थे, टैक्स ब्रेक्स मिलती थी. नाउ गिफ्ट सिटी इज द ओनली सर्विस बेस्ड स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन इन इंडिया जहाँ पे यू कैन इवन सेट अप अ फैमिली ऑफिस. उसके बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं. फैमिली ऑफिस क्या होता है? फैमिली ऑफिस मीन्स दैट not just you but multiple members of a big family come in together, pool in their funds, और वो सब मिलके एक अकाउंट के थ्रू इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. जनरली फैमिली ऑफिस इज मैनेज्ड बाय अ प्रॉपर मैनेजर. सो अगर आप इस फैमिली, इफ यू हैव अ फैमिली ऑफिस एंड यू आर कंसिडरिंग टू मेक श्योर कि आपको टैक्स कम लग पाए और आप आउट ऑफ इंडिया भी इन्वेस्ट कर पाओ, दैट बेनिफिट टू आप ले सकते हो यूजिंग दिस बेनिफिट, एंड दैट इज थ्रू द फैमिली इन्वेस्टमेंट फंड, द FIF. और ये स्ट्रक्चर गिफ्ट सिटी में ही सेटअप आपको करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपने ऐसा कर दिया तो इसके फीचर्स आपको बता दो. फर्स्ट, आप लिस्टेड अनलिस्टेड स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट कर पाएंगे. आप इवन बॉन्ड्स में, आर्ट में, रियल एस्टेट में भी इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, नॉट जस्ट इन इंडिया बट अब्रॉड. आपकी इंडिविजुअल LRS विच इज़ लिबरलाइज्ड रेमिटेंस स्कीम, जो हमें $2.5 लाख तक का लिमिट मिलता है पर इंडिविजुअल, वो सेपरेट है और इसका कैपिटल सेपरेट है. तो वो आपको फ्री हो जाएगा. आपका $2,50,000 विच इज़ ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 2 करोड़ रुपीज़ यू कैन इन्वेस्ट अलग से इफ़ यू लाइक टू. यू कैन इवन लेवरेज द इन्वेस्टमेंट्स दैट यू मेक इन दिस, जैसे आप इंडिया में करते हैं. तो ये सारे इसके बेनिफिट्स हैं. एंड ऑब्वियसली वन बिग बेनिफिट दैट यू गेट इज कि आप इंडिया से बाहर भी इन्वेस्ट कर पाएंगे, विच यू आर नॉट एबल टू without having a structure like the gift cities FIF जो IFSC को यूज करता है. IFSC is the exchange जिसके थ्रू Indians can invest abroad and abroad people investors, foreign investors can invest in India. So this is an exchange जो सिंगापुर के एक्सचेंज को हाईली कॉम्पीट कर रहा है, एंड दिस इवेंचुअली इन द टाइम टू कम विल बिकम a major exchange, even more so than the Singapore exchange. So but the only constraint in this, what's the catch? The catch is that आपका family office should be at least $10 million, means almost 83 crore rupees as on date, 82 crore rupees as on date. तो 82 crore rupees क्या आपको खुद लगाने हैं? नहीं. This can be a joint capital of all the investors, of all the family members. तो इसके अंदर इट डजंट जस्ट मीन कि ये पैसा आपको स्टॉक पोर्टफोलियो में लगाना है. यू कैन टेक दिस मनी एंड इवन इन्वेस्ट इनटू रियल एस्टेट, इवन इनटू आर्ट, इवन इनटू stocks, listed or unlisted, indexes, everything. So this could be a pool of money which can be invested in any asset class as you may. So इस 85 crores को आपको over a period of 3 years fund करना है, but you can start away with it. So this way, for 10 years, you can get the benefit of any gain you make on this investment totally tax-free. So mostly people do the mistake of investing, try to save their money by doing those methods which are not legal. But now using this method, irrespective of whatever gains that you make, you won't have to pay any taxes. So this is the time, if you're a family office, this is the time to consider the family investment trust structure in Gift City.